Hey everyone, welcome back to zork825. Today I'm excited to show you a cool new tool that combines AI and creativity, a brand new Telegram bot. Whether you want to turn text into stunning images or bring your imagination to life, this bot has got you covered. Let's dive in and see how it works. Let's start the bot. The first feature we are going to look at is a imagine option. With this, you can type a simple text phrase and the bot will generate an image for you. For example, we will write Indian family. We will select the imagine option and write Indian family. Now it will generate the photo. You can see, and if you describe more about Indian family, it will generate according to you. In it, right? But let's take this a step further. Now we will use second option, generate. These are the number of templates we have already inserted into the bot. For example, I will be using 10. Okay, now we will write zork825 shout shout out. Shout out to you. This will give an image zork825 shout out to you. So these are some templates that you can use from this bot, and you can use the AI that will generate according to you. And that's amazing. With our bot, you can use some custom templates. And here's an example, a girl holding a sheet of paper, and the bot has filled in the text to make it unique. Perfect for social media shoutouts, greetings, or even personalized messages. Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. The images generated by the bot are created using artificial intelligence, and we do not promote or support the use of these tools for inappropriate or harmful purposes. Please respect privacy guidelines and copyright policies when using the bot. Bot is a fantastic way to turn your ideas into visuals in just a few seconds. Whether you are looking for inspiration, trying to create a custom graphics, or just want to have fun, this bot is here to help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to zork825, and let us know in the comments what did you like to us to create next. See you in the next video.